students, today in summer class we are going to study chemistry. So chemistry last class we studied law of multiple proportion. Today we are going to solve some numerical about the law of multiple proportion. देखो पिले न्यूमेरिकल जदि आइबो बोले एग्जाम गुडा करे तमे जेहेतु साइंस नबो न्यूमेरिकल पे प्रिपेयर हेतो न्यूमेरिकल गुडा को आर वेरी इजी टू सॉल्व सो नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट दैट सो लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन रो न्यूमेरिकल करबा आगरो मु फास्ट रिवाइज कर दोचे लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन हम कोन पढ़थिलु देखो whenever two elements combine to form two or more compound then the different masses of one element which combine with the fixed mass of other bear a simple ratio to one another आशा करछु तुम माने एटा पढ़ दे थिबोडा जे पढ़न थिबो मो प्लेलिस्ट रे जीवो लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन बाहर करके पढ़ला परे न्यूमेरिकल करबो एले लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन कोन कहूची जते बेले whenever two element suppose two element a and b combine to form two different compound ab1 ab2 okay ab1 ab2 then the different masses of one element which combine with the fixed mass of other ए दुईटा भितर गोटेकर मास कोन अछि डिफरेंट अछि आ गोटेकर मास कोन अछि बहुत फिक्स अछि हेले जोटा फिक्स अछि ताकू छाड़ दियो जोटा डिफरेंट अछि तार रेशियो ता कोन आइबो तार अनुपात बा रेशियो इज इक्वल टू सिंपल रेशियो आइबो हेले टी केते आइबोडा 2b 2b और 1:2 which is simple one एडा हम लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन हेला एबे देखा गोटे न्यूमेरिकल करबा जे इ न्यूमेरिकल बतेबी देखो कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन टू फॉर्म टू कंपाउंड्स कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन जोटा बेसिकली दुटा कंपाउंड फॉर्मूले द कार्बन कंटेंट इन वन ऑफ दिस इज 42.9% गोटी करे कार्बन रा शतकड़ा केते अछि हाउ मेनी परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन इज देयर 42.9% व्हाइल इन अदर इज 27.3% आ गोटे कंपाउंड रा कार्बन केते परसेंटेज अछि 27.3% सो दैट दिस डाटा आर इन एग्रीमेंट विथ द लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन so that's why we must have to know the law of multiple proportion in order to solve this type of problem okay so how can you solve it in the first compound carbon and oxygen combine to form two compound I will take in the first compound the carbon content in one of these is 42.9 let I will take let the mass of carbon so what is given 42.9% I will take it gram let 42.9 gram kind mass अर्थात we have to measure into gram then the mass of oxygen since the given question given in percentage 42.9% so out of this 42.9% is your carbon so how many percentage of how many mass of oxygen 100 minus 42.9 100 minus 42.9 what it will be 100 minus 42.9 it will be 57.1 gram हेले एबे कोन करबो रेशियो बाहर कर देबो रेशियो बिटवीन द मास of carbon and oxygen C and O लिख दो जुमा carbon and oxygen but it will be 42.9 is to 57.1 okay I will find the ratio at first you take let the mass of carbon 42.9 then the mass of oxygen 100 because percentage is given you have to 100 minus that one so it will be 57.1 so the ratio between the mass of carbon and oxygen is 42.9 is to 57.1 एबे कोन करबो देखो out of these two which one is smaller 42.9 is smaller we have to divide both sides એટલે હું કોણ કરી 42.9 divided by 42.9 is to 57.1 by 42.9 okay 57.1 divided by 42.9 so what it will be listen so 42.9 both are cancelling out it लिखि दोचे 1:2 and 57.1 divided by 42.9 it will be 1.33 and देखो पिले न्यूमेरिकल गुडा को सॉल्व करबा को पड़िबो एटा 42.9 by 42.9 it will be 1 then 57.1 divided by 42.9 57.1 divided by 42.9 हला ताको सॉल्व करिवो if you solve it you will get 1.33 हला एटा फर्स्ट कंपाउंड let it will be taken as equation 1 I will take this one as equation 1 now going to equation 2 for the second compound take it the screenshot of this one. Then in the second problem, in the second compound, in the first compound A, B. In the second compound, you have to write down the procedure. Second compound. Let the mass of carbon. Let the mass of carbon. So what is given? 27.3. 27.3 gram you will take, because mass is taken, you have to take as gram. Then the mass of oxygen. The mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen. What it will be? 100 minus 27.3. 100 minus 27.3. So what it will be? 100 minus 27.3. 72.7. देखो 100.00 27.3. So it will be 10 minus 3 is 7. It will be 9. 2. Then it will be 9. 7. 72.7. Okay. So the ratio between the mass of carbon and oxygen in the second compound. So how can you find the ratio? So what is the mass of carbon is given? Ratio between the mass of carbon and oxygen is equal to 27.3 is to 72.6, 72.7. So you divide 27.3 divided by 27.3 is to 72.7 divided by 27.3. So what it will be? So 27.3 cancelling out, it will be 1 is 2. So 72.7 divided by 27.3, it will become as a 2.66 approximately. You will got the in the first compound the ratio is 1 is to 1.33. In the second compound the ratio is 1 is to 2.33. So out of this, which one the ratio the mass of carbon is fixed? That is one. The ratio between the mass of oxygen. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, you have to write down. From equation 1 and 2, the mass of carbon fixed, mass of carbon fixed. Okay, ratio between the mass of oxygen, ratio between the mass of oxygen. The mass of oxygen, ratio between the mass of oxygen, what it will be? Can you tell me? So first केते आसला देखो 1.33, second केते आला 2.66. So 1.33 is to 2.66. So which one is small? 1.33, 2.66. Which one is small? You have to divide that one. So I will divide 1.33 to both sides. 1.33 divided by 1.33 is to 2.66 divided by 1.33. So it will be 1 is to 2, which is simple one. Which is simple one. Simple one. Hence, the given data are in agreement with the law of multiple proportion. देखो पिला कौन कोइछि से न्यूमेरिकल रे कार्बन आ ऑक्सीजन रो परसेंटेज दियाछि कार्बन रो तापर ऑक्सीजन रो परसेंटेज बाहर करबो बा ताको मास रे कोन 100 माइनस बाहर करबो फर्स्ट कंपाउंड रेशियो बाहर करबो सेकंड कंपाउंड रेशियो बाहर करबो तापर वी हैव टू फिक्स द मास ऑफ कार्बन फिक्स्ड सो द रेशियो बिटवीन द मास ऑफ डिफरेंट वन व्हिच वन ऑक्सीजन 1.33 is to 2.66. I will divide 1.33 to both sides, it will be 1 is to 2, which is simple one. Okay, in the description box I will provide another problem, you have to solve that one.